Welcome to Lorne's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Lorne Andrews of Dominion Lending Center's Expert Financial, the #1 mortgage choice for GTA homebuyers. Now, here's your money tips.
Okay, today we're going to talk about how to avoid being house rich but cash poor. Being house rich and cash poor means you have more equity in the value of your home than you have in liquid assets, or your debt to income ratio is higher than 40%, meaning your homeowner expenses take up more than 40% of your income. For most of us, home ownership is a sound financial decision that helps build future stability. But it can also lead to hardship if you take on a financial commitment you can't realistically afford. Here are 5 steps to avoid becoming house rich but cash poor. Number 1, aim to be debt-free. Pay off small debts like credit cards, then work your way up to bigger debts like car loans and lines of credit. It's tough to do, but once you're debt-free, mortgage payments will be much more achievable. Number 2, save an emergency fund. You need enough savings to pay all your expenses for 3 to 6 months. This is even more important when you own a home. Number 3, save a substantial down payment. The higher the down payment, the more attractive your mortgage rate. And if you put 20% down, you can avoid mortgage default insurance like CMHC, Genworth, etc. Number 4, save enough for closing costs. These can run from 1.5% to 4% of your home's purchase price. Depending on where you live, that could amount to upwards of $15,000. Number 5, save enough to cover moving. This may seem like a minor expense, but aside from the move itself, there can be deposits for utilities, new appliances, painting, new furniture, etc. The point is to cover as many costs as possible in advance. Then you just have mortgage payments to deal with, which makes home ownership a lot more comfortable. For more information or advice on how to prepare to buy or how to get the best mortgage with the best rates and terms available, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Lorne's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Lorne today at 416-276-6445.